Bonjour, bonjour. Moi-même qui parle, toujours à parler. I was talking about like how I had a good night since the accident. Like I literally slept in my side. So let's go. Okay, me again talking. I literally like slept the whole night. So happy, so happy about that. You see, I sit to my side, like I feel no pain. Then I wake up in my bed, just trying to do like exercise. Look at that, be the change you wish to see in the world. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So I did a couple of like exercise. That's why they show me in the physical therapy. I cannot do much, but today I did 30 squats. So, I'm so proud of myself. But I cannot do no sit up or nothing else. Just the squat I did. And that's what I do. That's kind of like exercise I do. I kind of trying to like do 20, like 30. I did 30 in each today. And like just for my back. And I do a couple of things for my, And I did I soaked some seed overnight and I drank it in the morning. And I'm doing some detox. Always I add sea moss on it, then water. I don't have no juicer, so I'm my blender. Then, then that's my juice for today. Then after that, I'm trying to show you guys like as the process. I don't know what process I'm trying to tell you guys, but bear with me. That thing was so uncomfortable. I don't know why you guys, how can people stay with that thing all day long? Jesus Christ. Yo, I can't. I did sweat. I was trying to say, did I sweat? You look at me. I did sweat. I don't know. Maybe I need something for make me like sweat. Like, pour mettre un bas votre moi before I put it on. I feel like I'm always going to have that faux pas, yo. Oh, yeah, et ça passe là, on m'arrive ventre, on fin à coucher. But m'arrive ventre, on fin à coucher, so I guess but my part tight encore, so tout the skin still gonna stay here even if I lose weight. Yep, story of my life, but what can you say? Then I shower, fresh face, good that. Then that's what I use, but that's my toothpaste I use. The soap very good, make my skin like smooth, body oil, face, everything. The whole body I put that oil on. Then that's why for my lips very good too. And my deodorant, cannot say nothing about it really. I don't really use it. Then look at like my humidifier, so cute. I love it. I bought it because you had the Bluetooth and it light up at night. You have clock. Oh, that thing have everything. And you have like you can put essential oil on it and your humidifier, yeah. And you have like alarm, yeah, everything. It's a perfect humidifier. I love it. It just keeps keep changing color too. Oof, why not? Get it about at Target. And that's me. That's my outfit for the day. Pajama all day, Then I did some meditation. Oh my God, so happy too. That's the first time in the past month I feel like I did meditation like the regular way. I always sit down and lay down. Then I did my green juice. Then I was waiting for my Zoom meeting. Then I got, still drinking the good juice again. I did a second cup. Then I got cold, so I had to put a sweater. Then that's the last of the juice. Then for dinner, I had a salad. I had 2-1 for me for my sister. So that's mine. So I already shake it. Did my own dressing. Yeah, always do. Trying to do everything I can. Then I made a mess, like always. Si ma mess, Marele Farah. Yep. Always so clumsy. Then I couldn't finish the rest, put in the fridge. Then that my tea for tonight. I did my tea. Yep. Then I did for the first time. I did a face mask. For the first time. I don't have time to tell you what is in it. It's too long. Turmeric, honey, Greek yogurt, avocado. What else? Sea moss. Yeah. Yes. So that's my thing ready for tomorrow. I'm doing homemade almond milk for tomorrow, so I let my almonds soak, and for my tea, the seed that like this is soak overnight, then drink in the morning. Then I wash my face. I didn't know how long. I have to keep. My sister told me if it's dry, wash it. So it was dry, so I wash it. So I had to wash it in my sink because it was more easy than wash it in my bathroom. So it was in there, and I cannot touch it. It would feel so weird. So I had to use the paper. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can keep doing that. I don't know how long can you do that. Every twice a week. I don't know. So look at the faces. The face is the face after the mask. After the mask is the face. Ooh, I don't see the difference, but okay. So I started a book now. That's it. Good night, guys.